Amit, I wish I could invest in these exciting startups before they go public.
Oh, you surely can. This is called unlisted equity opportunities and pre-IPO opportunities.
I've heard about direct equity, but what exactly is unlisted equity?
Unlisted equity means investing in private companies. Imagine owning brands like Oyo, Hero FinCorp, Boat, Bira before they go public. Some companies that dominate the market and have high growth potential are accessible through the unlisted space.
Interesting, but how do you purchase them? Are they listed on stock exchange?
Unlisted shares are private equity shares that are not listed on any stock exchange. These shares are held by founders, early stage investors, and employees. They are not publicly traded but are bought and sold in the over the counter market. The process of buying this is book shares with the entity, make full payment to the dealer, shares are credited to the buyer's demat account.
But what are the risks involved?
Liquidity is low and they are riskier. However, for the long term, they can be game changers. These stocks trade through limited hands in the market. In short, unlisted equity is where future giants are born. We should only choose stocks with a track record, strong research, profitability, and robust management. Kavya, are you ready to explore this?
Oh, definitely.
Unlisted equity. Invest in the future today.
The above content should be used for informative purposes only. Investments are subject to market risks. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.